So I'm getting ready to make a really quick dinner for my toddler. I'm going to keep it very simple. These are the ingredients: organic premium chicken tenders, some veggies I have left over in my refrigerator, red pepper, carrot, shallot, garlic, cabbage, asparagus, and some green beans. So let's get started. A little olive oil, a little dried oregano, a little dried parsley, some garlic powder, a little black pepper, a little Maldon sea salt. Thank you for helping. Thank you very much. Good job. Good job, Aubrey. All right, I have to go cook now. That's extra oregano. Okay, that's plenty. Thank you. Okay. Okay. We have to blanch those green beans. Thank you. Let's put these in the pot. So we're gonna blanch these. We're gonna blanch these quickly before I put them on the griddle. So I just blanched these green beans. I'm gonna throw them in a bowl and season them. I won't even put them in an ice bath. I'm just gonna keep them warm. So let's get the chicken on and start cooking. So I'm gonna put some olive oil on the griddle and then add the pieces of chicken tenders. Quick, easy. So while that's cooking, I'm gonna prep the veggies. So I have some vegetables left over in my refrigerator, and I'm just gonna use what I have. Again, these are veggies that we use on a regular basis. So use whatever you have. You don't have to use exactly the veggies that I'm using. Just make it work. So if you have broccoli in your refrigerator, I do, but I'm not doing broccoli tonight. Use broccoli. So I'm just gonna rough chop these. Carrots are washed. I'm actually not peeling them. Again, it's a lazy dinner. So I'm just gonna slice these on a bias, basically on an angle. That's what a bias means. Throw these in the bowl as well. I have a shallot, so I'm gonna also add the shallot. My daughter loves shallots, so we're gonna add some shallot. Just quarter these. We have some garlic, so I'm just gonna slice these garlic. Throw those in the bowl. I think I'm gonna add a piece of cabbage in there, just a little piece of cabbage. And she loves asparagus, so I'm gonna use the remaining asparagus that I have. So I'm just gonna cut these off. And those are all the vegetables. A little olive oil, fresh cracked black pepper, and a pinch of Maldon sea salt. That's it. And we're gonna toss these vegetables. Luckily, my toddler loves vegetables, so it's gonna be okay. It's gonna work for her. So really just cook these until they are finished cooking. Another minute or two. These are finished. All right, Aubrey, dinner's almost ready. Would you like watermelon? Okay. Like a snack, a little watermelon snack? Okay, I'm coming. Okay, let's give you some watermelon. Hang on, oh boy. That's it. Quick, simple, super easy, minimal cleanup, and nutritious. Another really clean meal for my toddler. She loves vegetables, so this is really fun for her to eat, especially asparagus. She likes her vegetables. We trained her to eat veggies from a very young age, and it's paying off now. So this is dinner. You're gonna need some little friends to come and enjoy all these yummy, yummy, yummy meals. Oh my goodness. This should be a platter for 6 little toddlers. I'll enjoy some of the vegetables. Oh my goodness, so fun. That's it, so pretty. Just normalizing not having overly fried breaded chicken tenders, but still making them fun and tasty. Ta-da! She's gonna love this chicken. Flavorful. A little balsamic vinegar. She loves sauce, with a little olive oil for her dipping sauce. And she'll know exactly what to do with this. She calls it juice. That's for her. Yummy, yummy, yummy. I have a little sauce for you. It's balsamic. Yes, and olive oil. And you can dip your chicken in there in the sauce. Oh, you went for the asparagus. Be careful. Tasty. Oh yeah, it's tangy. It's balsamic. You can dip the chicken in the sauce like this. I'll show you. Okay, or you can dip the vegetables. That's fine too. It's delicious. Thank you. I made it specifically for you. Mm. Okay, Aubrey. You can dip your chicken in your sauce, or you can dip there. Yes, just like that. Yes, yummy. Oh, is it? Okay, enjoy. Bye-bye. I love cooking for Aubrey. I really do. And soon I'll be cooking for you. Yeah.